So hello and welcome students to our A blocks video series. So today we are going to talk about the servo motor interfacing. All right. So what actually is a servo motor? Basically, a servo motor is a powerful robotic hand that you can use as a robot muscle as well. That it imitates a robot muscle. Basically, you can move objects, string, or anything that you want to a certain specific degree using servo motors. Okay, so motor is like a small controlled powerful motor that you can actually interface with Arduino Uno and accurately turn it according to yourself. So this is pretty much simple. Let's move on. We have three steps, that is software components, hardware components, and the conclusion. So what do you need for servo interfacing? Basically, it's very simple. You need Arduino Uno, jumper wires, and a servo motor. So let us talk about the hardware and connections. So as I've already told you that it has three pins. There is a control pin, that is the digital pin, which will be connected to the digital pin of Arduino Uno. There is a power to a 5-volt pin that will be connected to the 5V pin of Arduino Uno, and then there is the negative pin, also known as the cathode or the ground pin, which will be connected to the GND pin of Arduino Uno. So basically it's like plugging in a robot with a friend, and as soon as you code your Arduino, it will send signals to your servo motor and making it move precisely. Okay, so this is the servo motor. I've already explained you the pins. So these are the pins that we're going to use. So without any further delay, let's move to the A blocks platform and let's see what's cooking up. So here we have the loop, and if you go into Mecanso outputs, you can see the servo motor here, and you just need to place it here. It is very simple. Okay, so it is connected to pin number 2, and degrees, for say I write 80 degrees. This is 80 degrees. Suppose I write 90 degrees. So it is exactly 90 degrees. Suppose I write 120 degrees. So this is 120. See on the right hand side of the screen, you can see the servo motor moving as well. Suppose say I write 150 degree, so it will move in this direction. Suppose I write 210 degrees, it will move here. And suppose say I write 260 degrees, it will move almost in this direction. 270, and let me make it 360 again, so it will come back to its original position. So you just have to write the number and it will automatically make the circuit for you. The A blocks platform make the circuit for you, and it will animate the circuit for you as well. Okay, so coming back to the slide, this is the programming that I've already explained you. Inside the loops, you just have to place the servo motor block, okay, and you can rotate it by any degrees that you want and by how much you want precisely. So in conclusion, I just want to say that today we learned about the servo motor, how to interface with Arduino Uno, the three pins that the servo motor uses, that is the control pin that is also connected to the digital pin, and there is the 5-volt pin for the power supply, and then there is the negative or the ground pin. So this is what we learned today, and I'm sure you're going to use servo motor in your future projects as well. So this is a small quiz for you, that where is the control pin of the servo motor used for? Okay, so to the ground, to the supply, to power, none of the above. So let me know the answers in the comment section. Alright, so I just want to say again that just keep moving forward, and one day you'll surely succeed. I hope you found this video informational, learned a lot from it. Thank you so much for watching. Come